What's up, everybody? What's everyone up to today? Heading out for a little cruise around on my own today. I have a day off, and it's actually 2 days in a row. It's probably going to be the only time this month that I'm going to have that luxury. So, I'm going to go out for a ride, and I'll be testing out a couple of things today. This is going to be my first dual cam. As you see, I got that guy down there, as well as my chin mount. I'm also trying out Shadetree Surgeon's camera mic recommendation. It was the bendy Skype mic from Amazon. He said they work pretty well, so I thought I'd give one of those a try and have that all set up for a backup mic. Just for those days where I just want to grab my helmet and one camera and go, and then I don't have to worry about changing my chin mount up to let the Cena pack fit. So I had a whole bunch of extra batteries all charged up and ready to go, and totally forgot to grab them. So today's vlog is going to be limited to whatever I can get out of these batteries. Now I can start talking. Now I'm on a little bit open road. Y'all don't want to see me sitting at a bunch of traffic signals. So today's topics for me are going to be road rage and a little bit of new job possibilities for me that honestly I'm scared to death because I'm old as dirt and I'm looking at starting a new job, so that's a little scary. But I'm going to jump right into the road rage. The reason I'm bringing this up is honestly because I personally have been trying to control myself. You know, I have a couple videos up where I like totally yelling and cussing at people because they made a mistake. And to be quite honest with you, looking at those couple videos, I'm honestly a little bit ashamed of myself. And I'm ashamed that I acted that way. So over the past year or so, I've been trying to not flip people off, not cuss at people, and things like that. Just like I said, just because after watching, I was kind of ashamed of myself. I don't want my kids to see me acting that way. I don't want other people to see me acting that way. I know the one that I had where that's all it was cussing somebody out. It got used on a couple of those clip channels that they have a ton of viewers. I mean, I got a lot of subscribers from it, but when I thought about it, is that really how I want to get subscribers? Me personally, no. I know there's some channels out there that thrive on riding around acting like an ass and yelling at people. I don't want to be that way. Now that doesn't mean I'm not gonna wrap my engine a little bit when somebody cuts me off or does something stupid in front of me because they weren't paying attention. And honestly, it's not in a way of trying to tell them to screw off. It's more just to let them know, hey, I'm right here, you almost caused an accident, take a look around next time, make sure there isn't somebody there. Along with that, I've been trying to control my language on my vlogs, and I know I still let something slip every once in a while, and I mean, let's just face it, it's never going to go away completely. That's just me. I can't help it. But again, I've been making that conscious effort to not do it, and I think I've done pretty well, honestly. tell you the truth, when I watch those clip shows that all it is people getting angry and flipping people off and cussing people out, I used to think they were really funny, and now I don't even watch them anymore because it's just the same thing over and over and over. And we get it, cagers do stupid shit sometimes. We get cut off occasionally. I know, I understand. So my focus will be to concentrate more on enjoying my ride. This is my happy place. This is where I can let everything that's pissed me off all week long go away. None of it matters. I'm actually getting a lot of this insight. I've been watching a whole lot of Dan Dan the Fireman. I really have been enjoying his channel, and when he talks about things, he puts it all so logically, where it's like, oh yeah, I guess I didn't need to act like that. That was kind of silly. I didn't really need to do that. And if you guys haven't checked out his channel, do it. I think some of you guys will like it. He does vlogs, he does gear reviews. I think he's one of the ones that actually has a schedule of when his vlogs will come out every week. Which to me is kind of surprising, being that he's a firefighter and I know what the schedule's like because I work the same schedule as a firefighter, and there's no way in hell I could have a planned vlog schedule. That dude has got like 25,000 subscribers now. His channel is just taking off. So back to the whole cussing thing. It's actually kind of funny. I feel ever since the whole demonetization thing for not having 1,000 subscribers came up, I almost feel liberated. I'm not having to check to see if my video got demonetized for no reason whatsoever and request a review, which I don't know, they kept saying that they wouldn't do because it didn't have enough views to even review it, but then they'd review it and remonetize it anyway. Well, it's almost liberating to not even have to worry about that anymore. I can just go out, do my vlog. If I want to make a vlog that is, oh, nothing but cuss words, I can do it. I don't care. It's kind of funny. Of course I won't do that. That's not the kind of channel I want, but I could if I really wanted to. You guys right now that aren't able to ride because it's winter time, look at how pretty the shit is that you get to ride through. It's all nice and green and pretty trees. Well, look around what I'm riding through. Dry brush, fire hazard. This is the price we pay for that so-called beautiful LA weather. We get to look around and think, huh, alright, well, what's going to burn this summer? There's always a big fire around here. So my other topic is one of the jobs I applied for. The status has changed on their website. Before, all it said is you've already applied for this position. Now it has changed to your application is under review by the hiring manager. So I'm guessing that's a good thing that they're finally going to start making some phone calls and doing some interviews. According to a friend that I have that already works there, she says she's been asking quite a bit, trying to get a couple of us in, and they keep telling her, oh yeah, we're going to be calling back soon. We'll be doing callback soon. So let's hope that that's what's going on here, and I'll get a call within the next couple days, which, I don't know, unfortunately I'm working a lot over the next week and a half, and I'm scared they're going to call me and want to interview me on one of those many days that I'm working. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle that. I don't want to sound needy and tell them, oh, I can't do it that day. Let me look at my calendar. I don't want to sound like I'm never going to have time to work for them, because that's not the case. If I get a per diem spot there, I'm going to stop working overtime altogether at my regular job, because I can never count on getting it. So if I can get a per diem spot at this place, just on my days off, I can pick up shifts over there. And honestly, I think in a 12-hour shift over there, I'm going to make just as much as I do on a 24 at my current job. But yeah, I'm a little scared. I'm not young anymore. I'm in my 40s now, and I'm looking at starting a new job again. That's a little bit scary. But it's kind of what needs to be done. Well, unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. So I'm just heading home now. I've got a nice little hour and a half ride in. I mean, it wasn't a real long ride, but yeah, I really was just an aimless wander so I could get some ride time in. So I've got, you know, the next week and a half or so of work is going to be kind of shitty. I'll be working a lot of days, a lot of hours. It's kind of what my next couple months are going to be like. I'll be home in about 5 minutes or so, and really all that's going to be left after this next mile is a bunch of traffic lights and a bunch of traffic. So I'll go ahead and call it quits from here. I hope everybody's getting a little ride time in with the weather changing. It's pretty soon, man. Pretty soon everybody's going to be out riding all the time. So, that being said, rubber side down, shiny side up, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace out.